अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू लर्न विद हना, जहां आपको कंप्यूटर साइंस लेक्चरशिप तैयारी के लिए बेहतरीन रहनुमाई मिलती है। आज हम पढ़ेंगे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एमसीक्यूज पार्ट 3, जो ख़ास तौर पर सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, इसके साथ साथ पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन और दीगर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयार की गए हैं। इन एमसीक्यूज के साथ दुरुस्त जवाबात और आसान वजाहतें भी हैं, ताकि आप अपने तसव्वुरात मजबूत कर सकें और इम्तिहान में शानदार कारकर्दगी दिखा सकें। तो चलें शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, which of the following operation is not efficient in singly linked list? So the right option is D, deletion 8 tail. Has the explanation: to delete a tail traversal from head to n times. Linked list, deleting the last node is slow because you have to start from the first node and move through the whole list to find the second last node. So before deleting, this takes n times. Question number 42, which data structure is based for implementing breadth first search? So the right option is B, Q. Explanation: breadth first search process nodes in FIFO order. It's a first in and first out order. Question number 43, in which situation is a circular queue preferred over normal queue? So the right option is B, when a memory is fixed and we want to reuse it. Has the explanation: circular queue avoids wasted space after deletion. Queue is better when memory is limited because it reuses the empty spaces created after deleting items instead of leaving them unused like a normal queue. Question number 44, which of the following sorting algorithm is not comparison based? So the right option is C, counting sorting is not a comparison based algorithm. Has the explanation: counting sort uses counting technique instead of comparisons. So merge sort, quick sort and heap sort, these all are the comparison based algorithms. Question number 45, what is the space complexity of recursive merge sort? So the right option is B, n times. Explanation: requires extra spaces for merging. Question number 46, in a mix heap, the largest element is always 8. So the right option is A, at root node. Explanation: maximum or mix heap property keeps largest element at root. Question number 47, which traverser is used to delete a binary tree? So the right option is C, it's a post order. Post order deletes children before parents. Question number 48, which of these is not a collision resolution technique in hashing? So the right option is D, bucket sorting. Has the explanation: bucket sorting is a sorting technique, not a hashing collision handling. Let's see the concept of a bucket. Question number 49, which tree data structure is used in database indexing? So the right option is B tree. Here's the explanation: B trees are optimized for disk access in database. B tree in database uses B tree for indexing because they store data in a way that makes searching, inserting and deleting fast while reducing the number of times the disk is accessed. Question number 50, in a doubly linked list, each node contains, so the right option is C, data in two pointers. Explanation: in one pointer for next node and one for previous node. Question number 51, which of the following is an application of a stake? So the right option is A, expression evaluation. So has the explanation: stake is used in evaluation of postfix prefix expressions. Expression evaluation, it is the process of calculating the value of mathematical expressions. Question number 52, which of these tree is highest balanced? So the right option is AVL tree. Explanation: AVL maintains balance factor to keep height minimal. So AVL, it is the self-balancing binary search tree. Question number 53, which of these uses backtracking? So the right option is A, depth first search. Explanation: depth first search explorer and backtracks if needed. Let's see the concept of backtracking in data structure. So backtracking in data structure, it's a problem solving method where we build a solution step by step, and if we find that the current path does not work, we go back, we can say backtrack, to try a different path. So this is the concept of a backtracking in data structure, where we use depth first search. Question number 54. The base data structure to implement an undo feature is, so the right option is B, stack. Undo follows LIFO principle, last in, first out. Question number 55. Which traversal algorithm uses a queue? So the right option is C, breadth first search. Explanation: breadth first search in queues nodes level by level. Question number 56. What is the worst case time complexity of searching in a hash table with chaining? So the right option is n times. Explanation: in worst case, all elements are in one chain. Let's see a little bit concept of worst case complexity. So worst case complexity refers to the maximum amount of time or space an algorithm can take to complete under the first possible input of a given size in data structure. Question number 57. Which of these is not a stable sorting algorithm? So the right option is B, quicksort. Explanation: quicksort may change the relative order of equal elements. Question number 58. In a binary tree, the maximum number of nodes at level 1 is, so the right option is A. Explanation: at level 1, maximum nodes are in a square root at level 0. Question number 59. Which is the best case time complexity of bubble? So N. Explanation: when array is already sorted. So the right option is B. Question number 60. Which data structures used for function call management in most programming languages? So the right option is B, stack. Explanation: call stack manages functions calls and returns. अगर आपने मेरी बाकी वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो ज़रूर मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर जाएं जहां आपको मुख्तलिफ सब्जेक्ट्स की वीडियोस मिलेंगी जैसे कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम MCQs, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम MCQs, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग MCQs, नेटवर्किंग MCQs। इन इसके साथ साथ कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्टर की भी वीडियोस मैंने अपलोड कर ली हैं जो कि आप जाएं मेरी प्लेलिस्ट पे और जस्ट गो एंड जस्ट वॉच। और भी बहुत से अहम मज़ामीन दस्याब हैं, देखना ना भूलें। So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel Learn with Hanna for more updates, tutorial and tips on competitive exams, especially for computer science topics and much more. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updates.